difficult stock to trade because the stock has this tendency of coming closer to 400 mark, 410 odd range, and then it slips. So we'll wait out for another couple of days. If the stock continues to show acceleration in terms of momentum, sustains this level of 400 mark, then we can eventually see a breakout for Biocon, something which is much needed for the stock, I think, since the last 1.5 year or almost 2 years since 2024 start.
Okay, and let's go back to Srishti joining us for what to expect, Hero and Eicher Motors. Srishti.
All right, when it comes to Eicher Motors, Royal Enfield, what a stellar performance it has been for the company, because the company has definitely outperformed the industry growth. It's a 43% jump in their Royal Enfield volumes on a YOY basis. And along with that, even the Royal Enfield margins are expected to be steady at 26.7%. The exports have done well for the company, and so is the VECV portfolio. Though there were no fireworks overall, it did underperform the CV industry growth, but overall, the industry hasn't been doing very much for themselves. The margins are expected to improve rather for VECV to 8.7%. So that's about the segmental performance, but let's quickly take you through what is the expectation on the consolidated front. The revenue is expected to see a jump of 43% on a YOY basis. Similar growth number in the EBITDA, while the margins will be the key to watch out for. 25% is what we are expecting, with a profit figure of 1,423 odd crores. So definitely good set coming in from Eicher Motors, but the stock is already very close to its all-time high. So we will watch out for more exciting management commentary, be it from the demand outlook as well as when it comes to the new product launches. Back to you.
Thanks so much for joining us with all those details. So all eyes will be on auto companies that will be reporting their numbers tomorrow. But let's start wrapping up for the day then. And turned out to be a good day after the kind of downtick that we saw yesterday. Nifty is ending 160 points higher, above that 25,850 mark. Nifty Bank underperforming in trade and ending absolutely flat for the day, near that 58,190 mark. In terms of individual stocks, Asian Plains clearly reported very strong set of numbers. Industrial demand grew by about 11%. Volumes grew by about 11% for this segment. So that clearly stood out. 6.5% higher for this counter. Adani Enterprises up 5% on the back of that 25,000 crore rights issue. This stock is also ending 5% higher, amongst the top gainers from the Nifty 50 pack. IndusInd Bank up 4%. Tech Mahindra, TCS from the IT sector were also bucking the trend in day today. Bajaj Finserv, we saw that strong rebound coming from yesterday's lows. Remember, both of these stocks ended with downtick of 5 to 6%, Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv yesterday, but Bajaj Finserv did recover by the end of trade today, up 2.5%. Adani Ports, Hero MotoCorp, ONGC were also gaining in trade. On the losing side, Tata Motors passenger vehicle segment declined by nearly 1.3%. Shriram Finance, Bharat Electronics, Grasim were also under pressure today. In terms of individual newsmakers, Kirloskar Oil, that one reported very strong set of numbers, and that is precisely the reason the stock is ending with an uptick of nearly 11.5% as we speak. Office Solutions, 59% drop in profitability for the quarter gone by. So that one was also declining in trade. So yes, Harsh, turned out to be a good day on the index level, but we had a whole host of individual buzzers from the broader markets based on earnings.
Well, yes.